Hi, I'm Meredith, James' alter ego for YouTube. I'm here to enlighten you about what to do if your keyboard suspiciously switches layouts. It may be as simple as the default keystrokes in the Windows 10 settings. Please view this short video showing you the solution to correcting this problem. I was noticing that every time I tried to type double quotes, it typed the @ symbol instead. I checked to make sure I had the language and keyboard settings correct. Everything was indeed in order. So what was happening? Turns out there is a default switch keyboard layout. There is a key combination if you have multiple languages installed. This was left shift and the Alt key. And since I use so many programs, this combination was bound to happen. So doing a little digging, I found out where this lived in the Windows 10 settings. I'm assuming that older versions of Windows either doesn't have this, or it's turned off by default, or a similar switch or solution can be found. In the Windows 10 settings, go to or search for the time and language settings. Now go to the region and language settings. On the right hand side, there will be Advanced Keyboard Settings. Click on that link. Now here's where it wasn't obvious to me. There is a language bar options link. If the bar is turned on, you'll see it in the taskbar or desktop. I believe it's on the taskbar as default. Click on that link. You could just keep changing it back via the taskbar or desktop, but every time you use the left shift and alt key combination you'll keep switching keyboard layouts. So setting things here will avoid that. Click on the Advanced Key Settings tab. At the top of the list, there is a Between Input Language. This is set up with the default left shift and alt key combination. Click on it, then click on Change Key Sequence. Now set that to Not Assigned. I chose to change both columns for the switching language and the switching keyboard layouts. And there you have it. I hope this has helped and given you a solution to what was a simple annoyance. And remember, in the immortal words of Auntie Mame, life is a banquet, and most poor suckers are starving to death.